Good day, everybody. Today we're bringing you to the Perris Valley Lake in Riverside County. It's another one of the Southern California drinking water dams, showing you the location, how low the water is here. Please smash the like and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything and it'll help our channel a lot.
The boat, that's the boat.
In 800
Buoy?
feet, turn right
Boat?
onto Via del Lago.
Is it?
No, it's a buoy. Like those ones that we saw laying down at Lake Mead.
Oh, really?
Yeah, those are the floating buoys. The ones we saw at Lake Mead are so far out of the water.
Oh. Oh, that too, huh? Yeah,
Yeah.
1, 2. Oh. 3.
Very windy here. Shift into 4 high.
That is the dam, huh?
Yeah.
Where is control house?
I don't see her here, so it may be way around there because the dam goes way around.
Beautiful dam.
Let's go up to another area. See, the water should be way up in here. See that dock? See, the dock is almost not in the water anymore. You see it there?
That's important part, huh?
Yeah, it's all out of the water now, most of it.
This is a recreation lake, huh? Or drinking.
Good thing I put it in 4-wheel drive before we hit that. That got really soft. This one's for water and recreation. You can use it.
Oh, this water? Recreation.
Drinking water, yeah.
Boat,
And
huh?
recreation use.
Oh. Authorized vehicle only.
Yeah, we can't go in there.
Head west toward Via del Lago. Head southeast.
They have part of it closed down. Maybe because it's winter months.
Head south.
That's cute, that little island there.
We didn't come here.
We went the other. We did, but we went behind us.
They close, huh?
Yeah, because
The one that they close?
No, we can go. We can still go there, but part of it is closed.
Nice. You cannot fly drone.
No, it's too different. I'm not going to be able to. I mean, right here, I could probably, because the wind isn't affecting the trees, it's blocked a little bit. But that's why the guy's up here fishing instead of out there. You see the white choppy tips out there in the water, way out? That's where it's really windy. Up here close is not. But if I go up just a little ways, the wind will blow. I can try. Let's see what there is up here first. You can't go in there. If I still had my government truck, I'd drive in there.
Head southwest.
See the fishing right here.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, two.
2 boats, yeah.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. fast. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the black. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
I lost my map. I lost all of my map.
Yeah, this is the one that's the boat launch area.
Oh, that's the one that we.
We flew the drone
yeah,
here.
yeah. Oh, that's nice. Maybe you can walk video a little bit, huh? Low, very low, huh?
Yeah.
You take this picture. I can.
I got it on camera, Johnny.
Oh, that's good. Oh, immense.
In 600 feet, turn left onto Via del Lago.